Hi everyone, good morning to you, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. We are back again on a video reaction. So I just want to share a very important message from our brother Greg. And Greg, shout out to you. Your message here is superb. I want Biafrans to everybody to listen to what Greg asked Uchechi Okafor, aka Master McCann's ex-wife. One thing you need to understand is that this is not an attack to anybody, but it's just a way to remind us what is going on. Because sometimes you will hear people talking without you knowing the person playing the drum that are dancing in the public. Pay close attention to this and don't forget to like the video and share it to many platforms of your choice. God bless you as you do so. Let's go there. Greg, let's hear from you.
Yeah, Mazi. Kai.
I greet you.
My greetings.
Yeah, and you too.
Yes, I greet my sisters, Madam Oju, Regine and Madam Ojugo. And our brother, Shem Master Kusirin. Nande nke zanna afọ ha. Onye ọrụ udo dịkwara onye ọbụla. Udo dịrị ụmụ Biafra, udo dịrị ụmụ Igbo. Udo dịrị anyị nwa na-ekwu okwu. Udo dịrị Nnamdi Kanu n'ihi na ọ chọrọ udo n'ala Igbo. Udo dịrị Simon Ekpa n'ihi na ọ chọrọ udo n'ala Igbo. Ọ chọrọ udo n'ala Biafra. Udo dịrị Dr. Ngozi Arabeze n'ihi na ọ chọrọ udo for ụmụnne ya. Ọ chọrọ udo n'ala Biafra. Ọ sị na ndị nke chọrọ udo ka ọ na-enye udo. The peace onye nye is not the peace the world give. It is the one that come direct, a pure peace. That is the pure peace is what we have, and that is what Mazi Nnamdi will have. And at the end, every person wish Mazi Nnamdi dead will go down before him. Any being, any Marinekume, na Mazi Nnamdi wish he dead inside prison. Nnamdi will be alive. He will suffer this prison and he will come out and he will see the grave of those people. He will go and put flower on their graves. Because they did not wish themselves well. Otua God needs time on Banjoko. Otua God needs Dr. Ngozi Arabeze and all the cabinet and all the media Abambo is a battle. So heaven is on our side.
Yes, sir.
We will not die. Mazi Nnamdi will not die. Yes, and therefore we must win. It's obvious. That is our prayers.
Yes,
amen.
So I want to touch first about where Mazi Nnamdi. This woman sị na nwunye Mazi Nnamdi Kanu gwara ya na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu tụwara nwa 18 years ime na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu pụrụ na be ya na London for 1 year bi na Kenya. So a woman that a man ga-kwụ ụgwọ n'isi ya na be nna ya according to Igbo culture. Ka di ya hapụrụ for 1 good year wee bi na Kenya. Ya wee sị na ya amaghị ebe di ya nọ. Then we kidnap all the man. Nigeria na Kenya ga kidnap ya. Buru ya la Nigeria na-ekpe ya ikpe for good 5 years. Tụọ ya nga. And this same woman come out. The first kwuru after di ya nga bụ that na na-enye upkeeping na ụmụnne Nnamdi Kanu na-enye upkeeping or whatever. Then the question every reasonable man suppose every reasonable being ga-ajụ ọkpọkpọ Igbo niile nwa ya na-asụ every day she come out and the Radio Biafra or as this issue one Python head woman mere interview. Oh, you need honors. Can you go for how many years dear for London? Oh, she cannot walk, or she is not working, or she have no good job with all those big grammar that can sustain her and her child. That means she is more than illiterate. Because
you don't care about her skin?
Because, my brother, any person reasonable got school na by got London, more we upgrade in education, will be able to get a job that will sustain her or he or she for period of the time the husband not here.
No, DOS now they take care of us. Shameless idiot.
This woman also here school na so boy or go school, go upgrade. And when a course women in London need a job that she can use that job to sustain only one child. Not two, not three, not four. Only one. This woman waiting for upkeeping for one child. And she's not seeing herself as a lazy bitch.
Very bad one.
A lazy woman that cannot feed herself. She cannot find a job in London as only Cambridge. 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 So upon Cambridge, this woman go or gas sustain only a child. Without the husband, no. But boss no be here promise in the can. Your husband, yeah, pour outside the birigi no quarter for that 1 year until you are and you were deceiving Biafrans. Now Patane may protest. Now Patana so people got Finland guy may protest against Simon Ekpa. Now Patane call a good nonsense only for you to be getting money for upkeeping, not for their husband to come back home. Well, sometimes when they start behaving, they don't know that Biafrans now only when I say now oku na aga wam na na aja wam na afukwa. So we can read every single meaning with your character and your language.
Yeah, DOS how many Ginegorian? Yeah,
so the young one was a very lazy human being. And only a lazy human being, that is the only reason why she will be going from one room to another room. Because he's a lazy person. Because I want a woman industrious. Gas school none alone, the only opportunity with all gas sustain near Yana Nwaya, no matter what. Ogana ego poor people through. Is the Janwa, not a London. Oga go on ya cho ke wete ga tro aga eji we help the poor people in Africa now fighting for freedom now everywhere now go on many of them who lost their husband, who lost their children, and this woman have to take it and you been in London, a lazy woman now young lady God say but I got this woman that na go upkeeping number one, number two na dia na ya chupu dia na ya chupu dia na dia na ya na Kenya for 1 year and ihe na-eme ya epụtara ekwu such okwu by now ebe atụrụ dia ebe atụrụ a man he have been calling my husband my husband ka ị na-akpọ ya abụọ atụchara maazị Nnamdị na nga under some months you started coming joining people to make sure that the man did not come out from prison, that he will die. But God will not let him die. Because I believe in that first prophecy that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will not die in prison. I believe it. He will not die in prison and he will come out as a hero. So, number two, this evil woman, one thing Biafrans must understand is, I say it from day one, that the plan of these people is not only the Nigerian government, the people who are holding Mazi Nnamdi Kanu are the people that betrayed him, the DOS and the Igbo politicians. These are the people who are holding him. And this woman could categorically hear that if Mazi Nnamdi Kanu want to come out, let him align himself with DOS, IPOB. Otherwise, he will not come out. And this is what they have been saying. This woman, all of them have been saying the same thing. And if Biafrans cannot read any meaning from that, I don't know what they want to understand again. They want Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and their full anger, number one, about that. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, why must you accept the judgment instead of accepting to denounce Biafra and be free? Can have into politics. So, for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to continue standing for Biafra and not accepting the condition of Nigerian government with the Igbo politicians, Igbo governors, and this DOS, that is the highest anger. It's not even Mazi Simon Ekpanjoko. Mazi Simon Ekpanjoko had a excuse. Why? Because once Mazi Nnamdi Kanu come and start attacking Simon Ekpanjoko, they got what they want. What do they want? They will know if Mazi Nnamdi Kanu attack Mazi Simon Ekpanjoko, he have destroyed himself totally. And he will not have chance again. Then the Nigerian politician will happen to him. And the DOS will ask him now that it's better they will join politics or let him denounce anything fighting for Biafra. If Mazi Nnamdi Kanu ever attack or deny Simon Ekpa, the condition these evil people will give to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is, let them join politics and let him denounce fighting for Biafra. That is the only thing. Because he watched the radio broadcast of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. The only thing in picking, I didn't listen to many of them, but I just listened a clip. I joined late before my brother Kai just stopped. The only thing I understand there is the woman is saying that for her, the Biafra is what they will go through political means. So, and that is going to political means is forming a political party with IPOB. There is no other means. That's what the woman wants. And that is not what the husband stands for. And that is only where they're driving, they want to force Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to denounce Simon Ekpa so that they will push him to political party. There is no other thing. If you're thinking that these people are fighting Mazi Nnamdi Kanu just because of no other thing, is because Mazi Nnamdi Kanu refused to take the money Nigerian government gave to him and drop Biafra. He refused. And DOS don't want such a thing. So what they want Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is to denounce Simon Ekpa, say you're not part of them.
Yes.
And then they will tell him, Mazi, the only option is for us to join a political party and go into politics, and which will destroy Mazi Nnamdi Kanu totally. There's no other thing. So that is why they are attacking him from every corner. And that is the only this woman want Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to go. Because if you watch him, he's telling you that the Igbo politicians want IPOB. They want IPOB. But not the IPOB that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will be in charge in any way, it will be in prison and be in charge. But not the IPOB Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will see himself as this, that he is the person in charge. No, that's not what they want. What they want is the IPOB that the Igbo politicians will hijack with the DOS and give Mazna the condition how they want the IPOB to be run. And that is where this woman is driving to. If you think that is attacking Mazna and Ghana for any other thing, you are wasting time. They want the IPOB to be used as a political party. And just like Mazna and join the Igbo's politicians and let them use it. And once Mazna can do it, Mazna is totally destroyed. There is no other game. So that's what they want him to do. But they fail on arrival. Another point I want to make is why the family of Mazna and those people that said we are working with DOS, like Methuselah and many of them, are just still keeping quiet. I watched the so-called Methuselah, whatever, what the nonsense he was talking. They have not changed. They are playing double game. They have not repented. Both the family of Mazn Nnamdi and the brothers, they have not repented because they are the reason why these people have ground at all to attack Mazn Nnamdi. If they have, if they have, please. Kai, it's not again.
I said you are right. You are 100% right.
So yes, because if they have stand on the truth, not playing game with all these people, with all these politicians and all these Tinubu and all the rest of them, if they have stand firm as Mazn Simon will stand firm, these people wouldn't have any room at all to come out. Now they succeeded because all of them joined hand and attacked Mazn Simon Ekpa, and Mazn Simon Ekpa is being serving in prison time in Finland, and then they use that opportunity and join Mazn Nnamdi. So now they want to make sure that they destroy Mazn Nnamdi and force him to attack Mazn Simon Ekpa so that they will destroy him totally. But the earlier the so-called the family of Mazn Nnamdi understand this, and some of those lawyers and some of those called themselves that are repented DOS who are not joining them to say kill him and this is, but I have not seen them with a true repented mind, because they cannot tell me you're fighting for Biafra. And some Mazn Simon Ekpa have fight this battle to the extent of declaring Biafra. And now we are talking about recognition. And you are holding yourself back and not standing to fight, join to fight for that recognition. Instead, they are listening to this useless woman, Neka. They are talking with the wife of Mazn Nnamdi. If DOS have the zeal, if they have that popularity, if they have that power, why not them start on that the IPOB? Let them carry on with their own group of IPOB, and let's see either they go into the politics they say they want to go, or let them make a move, and let's see how powerful and how famous they are in what we are doing. Instead of telling Mazn Nnamdi we are still IPOB, they want to force Mazn Nnamdi to join them in the evil they want to do, which is not possible. So if they are too popular, let them carry on, just like Mazn Simon Ekpa carry on and achieve something that Biafra have been declared on 29th of November 2024. Let DOS stand on their feet and let their group follow them. Let's see what they want to achieve. At least that is what they're supposed to do. Not coming every day to tell Mazn Nnamdi, if you come out and denounce Simon Ekpa, denounce 100 men, you say you don't want to, Mazn cannot lead in prison. Then stand on your own, stand on your feet and carry on. Let's Biafrans and see what you can achieve with that your group of IPOB that you want to do something. This without Mazn Nnamdi, you can do something. We want to see you DOS and see what you can achieve. That is my submission this night. Thank you, Maz, my brother, and let's another person.
That is very, very explosive. Thank you so much.